Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to connect your Ecwid store to Instagram. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com. If you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So if you have not already, go ahead and create a new account, and after doing so and logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here in the left side screen. You can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with connecting our store to Instagram. What we're looking for guys is right here at the left side screen. You want to open up the sales channel menu. By opening up sales channels guys, this is now going to go ahead and open up this menu where we can get started selling anywhere we want. So you have the applications right here that you can use, and here is our Instagram shopping application that we want to use to connect your Instagram account to start selling to your Instagram followers. So basically guys, what we want to do is just click learn more right here next to Instagram shopping, and after clicking learn more, it's going to enable us to go ahead and get started setting up our shop for Instagram so you can upgrade to a plan that supports the Instagram application. And after that guys, you can just start setting it up from here, your store, all your products info. You can just follow the steps from here to get started, but basically that's how to do it and where you can find it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.